we are with the blind bought Valkyrie. I took it for an MOT because I couldn't ride it and I needed to do a test ride and see if it was road legal. It passed. The brakes didn't feel great on the ride and it was bogging on power. So that's brought me straight to the carbs. So we had a workshop manual. The MOT was 30 quid. The workshop manual, 23 quid. It needed a battery. That was the first thing to go on. So a carb refurb was £44 for some broken jets, which are on a video, and mixture screws, set of 6, £54, and float ball gaskets, £31. So that was that carb refurb all in. It didn't need everything, it just needed some stuff. This throttle tube was broken inside, the white bit inside, and that was 40 quid. It didn't have any rear foot pegs. I managed to pay £57 for 2 foot pegs, but then it also turned out that this pin that goes through here was 2mm longer than the VT1100 that the same foot pegs came off. So the pins cost me £12 on top of the 57 for the foot pegs. And coming round, I did timing belts under that cover there. The timing belts and the oil filter cost me £104. Rear fender bolts were £16, and do you know, I think that was just one bolt off the top of my head. I've forgotten, but I needed one, and that's what it cost. The fuel filter, you know, your straws, your pipes thing in there, that was £35. Jubilees. So the welds are broken on, there's a little bracket that goes, can we see, there, under there. This side's actually not broken yet, but it's on its way out. So I just bought a set of Jubilees and put them on to hold it together for now. So same on the other side. In fact, that's the broken side. Down there, that cover was rattling around. So 5 quid for a set of stainless Jubilees. 40 quid of engine oil for the service. Brake fluid, did front and rear brake and clutch. A bit of fuel line, some of it looked a bit scabby in there, so I just replaced it because it's cheap, £6. And Seafoam was a can of that, rinsing through to try and get the carbs running right before I started. That was £18, didn't really do the job. But that is my total spend, which comes to £601. And it's got me to, oh, I'm lying. I paid £50 for that seat, so that's £651. And I paid £20 for the bracket that you can't quite see under there. So that's £671. In my head I'd spent 400 quid. I guess these things always run away, don't they? It is what it is. But I've got to a point now where if I stand about this far away, it looks really nice. If we get up close, then you can see the work it still needs. So there's bits of rust and there's oxidisation on lots of parts. Like down in there, the wheel doesn't look particularly pretty, but a lot of this will polish up. I didn't want to start polishing until I knew I had a decent runner, and it does ride fantastic now. It rides really well. I'm really happy with it. So yeah, and then little specs like that. So I'll get round them and I'll polish them out, but I prioritise riding over polishing. So I'll be going out with the missus on this, and the big price you've all been waiting for is how much did I pay for it initially. So I'd always seen Valkyries at about 4 to 5 grand, and I'd planned to get one probably next year, really. That was the plan, and that was it really. I just sort of resigned myself to, thought, well, once I've cleared my workshop I can do that. And then my friend dropped me a message on Facebook and said, look at this Valkyrie, it's 2.5 grand. And I thought, oh, that's cheap. And it hadn't run for 2 years. The guy didn't know much about motorbikes. It'd been his dad's, and his dad had died. And then I dropped him a message, and I basically said, can you do it for £2,000, because I can get a roughish runner for low threes, and this is not a runner. And he said, meet me halfway at 2,250. And I said, 2,250 if you deliver it, because he was about 50 miles from my house, and he had a trailer, and I don't have a trailer. So 2,250 is the figure, plus 671 I just said, didn't I? So that comes to 6,921 off top. No, sorry, 2,921 off top of my head. 2,921, I think that's right. So just under £3,000. I've got a running, mechanically sound Valkyrie, and you know what? I've absolutely no regrets. I'm really pleased with it. I'm not going to sell it anytime soon. I'm going to be riding it, and that's basically it. I'm going to ride it as is, and it'll get washed, polished, and me and the missus will go out. Now it's got that back seat, and we'll enjoy riding it. So, will I buy blind again? Possibly. Will I buy blind and do a giveaway like my Virago? That's a thing. I'm considering that as a new format for the page, where I buy something or get given something, even if it's that bad, do it up on the videos and then just give it away to a rider. I'm weighing up that format. I think I'd like to do that. So anyway, click these videos, subscribe, get a sexy t-shirt. I fix stuff, that's my nipple. And I got some Bike from the Brink t-shirts as well. I'll put a link. That's a noisy bus. I'll put a link there. Watch these other Valkyrie videos here. I'll put a Valkyrie one there and a Virago giveaway one there. Subscribe there. Like and subscribe to my noisy street video. Thanks for watching. Bye.